So to find the normal vector to the plane, we need to do A times B times A times C. Sorry, A to B times A to C. Now this times is actually the cross product, which means we're going to have to use a special function in our calculators. So first thing we have to do is work out what the vector is from A to B. Now when I think about it like this. If this is vector A and this is vector B and I want the vector that joins them, that means I have to reverse the direction of A. So the vector that goes from A to B is actually B minus A. So this minus 0 is going to give me 1. 2 minus 0 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2 as well. Okay, cross product by A to C. Now it's the same as this. So it'll be this one minus 0, negative 1. 0 minus 0 is going to be 0. Negative 2 minus 1 will be negative 3. Okay, now I can just chuck that in my calculator. So I'm going to first put this in by just adding in my matrices. And you can't just put the time symbol here. You have to put the vector cross product in. So negative 1, 0, and negative 3. Okay, so now we're going to go to the options section of our calculator. Press the matrix in there. Go across until we get to the vector section, and then we want vector cross product. Now I'm going to separate these two with a comma. And press execute. So there we go. We get that the normal vector here is equal to negative 6, 1, 2. Okay, so that's the normal vector. Use your result from 16A to determine the Cartesian equation of the plane. So the formula that's given to you in your booklets is r dot n is equal to a dot n. Now, n is the normal vector, which is going to be our, let's just scroll up for a second so we can see it, which is going to be negative 6, 1, 2. R and A. So A is going to be, just give me 1 second to double check. R is going to be our XYZ for the Cartesian plane. And then we're going to have A as one of our coordinates. So you can pick either of the coordinates. It should work with both of them. If you don't remember using this formula, you might just remember chucking it all in together. Okay, so either you can do it the long way, which is this way that we're doing currently. So that's going to be XYZ dot negative 6, 1, 2 is equal to 0, 0, 1 dot 6, 1, 2. Now if I keep going down the page, so this is going to become negative 6x y 2z is equal to 0, 0, 2. So if I write this out now in full form, it's going to be negative 6x plus y plus 2z equals 2. I remember it as the formula where you've got n bracket x minus and then what your first term is going to be. So that would have been your A1, N1, like that, and then it carries on so forth. So if you'd remembered the formula in that form, you could have jumped straight to negative 6 x minus 0 plus 1 y minus 0 plus 2 z minus 1 is equal to 0. And then you expand your brackets out from here, which would give you negative 6x plus y plus 2z minus 2 is equal to 0. And then you could have taken this to the other side. So it doesn't matter which way you chose, you just need to be able to do it.